people, so this is my fifth video of the day, and I am reviewing this book called Better Eyesight Without Glasses. People, this book, as it was written, like W.H. Bates, the optometrist, the writer who has experience in ophthalmology. He's a doctor basically, and this book 1918 was when it was pretty much, I think the first edition was in 1918. And what is unique about the book is that it's I mean, I think something now like wisdom is timeless. It's not constricted to a certain era or time or something. So you might be surprised that I'm speaking about eyesight in terms of wisdom, but read this book, people, and you all will know that something like getting glasses also has something to do with wisdom, about life. That I've written a whole book on this. It's called Vision Improvement. You can find it on Amazon if you type Amrita Suresh. So, but really, people, this is one of the most remarkable books you can read with regard to the eyesight, if you want good eyesight. So, on that note, see, I followed the techniques given in this book, and today, despite having glasses for 20 years of my life, today I'm able to drive and roam around without my glasses. So, that is the power of this book. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.